right, today we're gonna install foot pegs on our Yamaha here. We got one of our team members' bikes here, so it's a little beat up, but it's a perfect bike for just getting these foot pegs installed, just like you'd be installing them on yours. So let's get started. Okay, so all we do is on the spring setup, it just goes on the opposite way that it was on the stock peg. And the Yamahas are really easy to get in compared to some of the other brands. And that's all there is to it. Then we just put on the root clip and the washer. And don't forget to lock the root clip. To lock the root clip, you just switch the side that the springs are on, the wires, and then it's locked. So anyways, that's the install of a foot peg on a Yamaha. Again, pretty simple process, but just follow the steps and should go easy for you. Hope you have many kind of great riding days up there, no snow buildup, great traction. We love our foot peg, hope you will too. Thanks, and we'll see you out on the hill.